Alright, so I'm in a call right now, with some of the boys. This thing is not gonna focus, but we're in a call with some of the boys. There we go.
There we go. I'm here.
This is tomorrow in approximately 12 hours. We will see each other again for the first time since October. We're super pumped for it. And now,
Oh my god, I really...
this is how we're going to end this bit with a lens cover. Stop it just as I was about.
Missing something. I just don't know what.
Yeah, I can't wait.
Oh, my dad's calling me. Get it. Take it away.
It's not natural. It's not natural.
The hands of God. There she goes again.
Oh, the steaming's coming to a stop. What do we want? Season 1 back. When do we want it? Now.
Why is she blue on the inside? She's eating with Thomas.
Oh, that took a different direction. Look, trains.
Spicy.
There should be a video where it's just like I'm doing your opening and you're like, hey, get out of here. It's like, oh god. Oh wait,
Hello.
Matt.
Yeah.
Before you leave, you gotta do you gotta get the camera to back for the other Matt here for a little bit and be like, welcome to my vlog. It's me, Matt.
Oh, I should. I so should.
No, you know what that reminds me?
We all just start taking the camera and like. Where do we go now?
Anywhere.
Alright, time to go space.
Anywhere we want.
Alright, we're going up there. Bet.
Alright, I guess this might send off.
Why does a diesel have smoke fluid? Now the real question is, why does a diesel have a smoke fluid?
She's overheating!
Why does a diesel have a smoke unit but the steam engine doesn't?
Excuse me, what is this blaster? It's American Gordon. American Gordon.
It's American Gordon.
I'm Connor.
Oh, it's Thomas Wood. It ain't natural.
Shunting Yard Stories. Get ready for the documentation. I got camera 1 and camera 2. So welcome to Shunting Yard Stories. This is Shunting Yard Studios. So this is the origin of how I got into Bachmann. It all began with Christmas when I was 8 years old and I got
I have a lavalier.
circle set.
I have a lavalier. Do you want it?
What?
I have a lavalier. Do you want it?
So like, we went to Oaks for the first time, me and my dad, and we found these two ladies with this table that had Tidmouth Sheds, this like the silver nickel track with the CD and stuff, and Thomas, Gordon, James, Percy, Annie Clarabelle, and Henrietta. This was my beginning stuff, with Spencer and the Special Coach.
Look at that ear
So
action.
since it was Christmas, like November or something, I don't know, and they were like giving this stuff away, we got the whole enchilada for like $100. I swear to God. And so pretty much, I got like a starter Bachmann set of Thomas at like 10 years old, and it was amazing.
That thing, like,
See, my two lot. I got 2 lot cars, Linnaeus, a red coach, and then a coach from Charlie.
wait, let me see that.
If you take it, I'm going to kill you.
Okay, thanks. Just kidding.
I'm going to kill you now. Yeah, Charlie gave it to me for no reason.
What else is
Oh,
that?
where?
The little power coach. Yeah, little Caledonian coach. What are these? Cows. You can never have enough cows. What is this?
Oh, that's for like for over the tracks to knock anything off the roof of the trains.
Oh, okay. That makes sense. My camera's recording.
Go bomb a train.
Choo choo. Bachmann Daisy Shell leaked. Oh, okay.
They're not ugly.
I'm trying to
They're
get-
caterpillars.
What if I just throw them on the way out?
No!
Wait, how did you do that? Oh wait, that's an Earl.
Is there somebody missing?
Modern.
Modern. Vintage.
What is
They're
the
the same.
difference?
They're the same picture.
There's a water fountain up in the front.
I don't like
They're full.
A natural TikToker in his habitat.
January.
He's doing it again.
Why is that? How does this work? David's in disbelief.
Every time. Alright, I panned up to your face as you moaned, so that looks so...
Don't doubt my skills.
Oh,
I just got my channel shut down. But
alright, take her out.
Here, can I see?
She's sorry.
Here.
Anybody have a pen?
No.
I'm gonna be a homeless man and start selling trains. Okay, wait, hand me the knife. I'm gonna cut Thomas's face off.
What?
Scottish.
Oh, okay, here we go.
If it worked for freaking...
If it worked for Charlie, it works for you.
Oh no. Our blessed child.
The blessed child.
No progress.
Oh!
May I?
this was a.
No!
You let him get away, you dummy! Oh, the smoke box door fell off.
I just heard a clatter. I'm like, oh.
Here, I'll hold it.
I saw it happen. I just saw it happen.
It's fine, don't worry about it. Can I see that?
I saw it fall, I looked up. I saw it fall, I looked up, and you're making the face.
Help! I'm being kidnapped. Hello. Help! I'm being kidnapped by some sort of gold engine.
It was a pain to do.
I got
never
you.
even got this.
Gotcha, fam.
Series episode 19 and 20.
Little does he know that is
It was hard to paint. It was hard to paint.
No, you would not believe how many times Godwin's buffer and lamp fell off.
What person?
I knew him.
Wow, that's so hard.
Alright, just gonna tell me when you're done and I'll put it on the.
Oh, okay.
What?
Sorry.
This is vacuum.
Who knows the last lines of Train Stops Play by heart?
They watched the cricket game.
Because they are British. Hold on, let me look it up.
Get back here with the ball.
Oh yeah, they have this over at the
starving, I'm gonna buy food.
exhibit.
Oh, they have to warm these
Why does the horn beat Thomas? Oh, yo. That is so cool. That is so cool.
No, they're sending the yard
I'm just sitting here like, oh my god, a Thomas with DCC sounds?
Wait, it has DCC sounds?
Just play the whistle.
Hold on.
You just blew it.
Huh.
It's actually
It's
pretty,
real.
No, that's just
it's pretty close though. Oh my god, he's about to die.
it's as close as you're gonna get.
Do you guys always face this? Like, is your layout
Not really. The only events that we do at Strasbourg typically are the rarely days.
so like?
I just realized the Choo Choo Barn's here. The Red Caboose is right here.
To be there for the events, but typically
Look at that.
we usually work in the museum.
Number's close enough. There's a 40 and a 7. Look at this. This is magic rubber right here. This is the end of the movie. This is your shining. Oh, she is off the rails. She's bouncing. So you're right.
Make sure. Wait. First.
Oh, wait.
You gotta make sure you have your shoe.
I have this one. Oh, I did. Actually, I did. You're right. Thanks. You got it? You have to push it.
Oh, you might just have to push it. All right, go ahead.
Yeah.
She was loud.
Come on, man. Let's go.
Oh, she cut out. It's not natural. That is.
It was one of them.
You want more time back?
Oh, sure.
Here, how about I get back to this?
Oh, he's whistling.
It had like the Stevie, the steam train. Oh man, that's a series that you have to watch. Oh, here it comes.
You know that Thomas series, or that series? Yeah. It was on the computer, whatever. And we played it. It was like
Behind the scenes of Callantale's collection.
oh, I saw that.
Do it.
This is my crib.
It's not.
That's the fastest it goes, by the way.
This is my
You're
crib.
joking.
This is my crib.
This is the fastest it goes.
It's my crib. It's my crib.
And that's my hat.
Yeah, it's your direction. Because I'm the director. No.
Here's
Slower?
Charlie's Thomas.
It's in the making.
Slower?
It's in the making.
This is their maximum speed.
Do you want me to pull out the H class so I can show you how it's max speed?
That's the max speed. And this is the max speed going backwards.
That's the one.
It stops.
That's the one problem about the Adams radial. It's so unbelievable.
I don't know.
John.
Why is there green on it?
Matt, where did the green come from on this?
It was with hell. Alright.
There was green on it.
New release from Hot Railway today.
Wait, what? Oh yeah, 16. I saw that.
And Wilbur too.
Oh, over there.
It's finally on its original track.
You want to see some of the stuff they're working on?
Yeah.
Look at that. It takes a while to start up though, which is really annoying. Like, unlike the Bachmann controller, it can go up to like 30 miles an hour and not move at all.
What do I do live?
See, the thing is, Will put the Toby already up on the site, but the person who made the face didn't want it on this, so we took it down.
Ooh, we jittered.
It's gonna look really weird with the giant wood Toby behind it.
Expensive.
Welcome to my vlog.
Stepney, Duck, and Oliver, they give the trucks
One more.
Oh.
No.
Little engines after all. They're our favorite little engines.
They're mighty little engines.
They're not such little engines after all. They're not such little engines after all.
Dun 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 dun.
Yay! Ooh. So it is now 7:48 p.m.
7. Okay.
We have 2 people have now left, and 1 person is out walking someone else's dog.
Dog. Yep.
This is the set we built. We never filmed anything with it, despite the fact that we wanted to like film. We never did.
I'm not like disappointed that we didn't build this because like I wouldn't have the imagination to do this at all.
Yeah. You need like a creativity team.
Yeah, exactly. So I'm really happy that I built this. I don't know what I'm gonna use it for, other than maybe some. I did take some really good promo photos. Your camera's so nice. I'm so glad you brought it because I took
Of course.
a photo with Thomas. I don't know. I took it off.
I'd highly
I took
recommend
it off the SD card, but oh my god, it was so beautiful.
I'd highly recommend it.
Yeah, I know.
If
That's
you
what
want.
I'm gonna ask it for.
If you want
Did access? Wait, what the heck?
access,
Why
is
is
it there?
it not here?
Your job. There was really no reason to build this set. We were going to film. There's just HO scale track, just chilling. This is actually double O.
I should have taken a promo photo.
You still can.
I still can, but without all the stuff that was here. Mostly here.
Do you want me to take a picture with my camera and then send it to you, like, over the internet?
I think I'll do fine with just this. I just want to do it for memories. That's it.
This was honestly probably one of the best days for meetups, and I've been to Strasbourg twice and went to the biggest meetup of 2019, and this is definitely one of the best days. Here's the last guy. And that just brings us down to us 3. This is weird vlogging like this.
I know, it's so...
I have everything that's mine, right?
Yep, I put away all of the stuff that...
Bachmann Thomas.
He's over here, yeah.
Is this yours?
That's mine. No, that's not mine, that's
Yes,
his.
it is.
No, it's not.
Oh, it's not?
No, mine has the front coupler. I already took mine.
Oh wait, hold on,
You
hold
didn't
on.
take mine?
Yeah, mine's in my bag.
Mine has the bench buffer, yeah.
And Charlie got 3 of these coaches.
I gave 2 to you guys.
Yeah. You're too nice.
Yeah, I know. But you know what? That's what makes it worth. This is the boys who like trains.
Yes, this is the Boys Who Like Trains. If you guys don't know what the Boys Who Like Trains is,
Then you are a pleb.
I will leave a link to the YouTube channel down in the description. You guys will probably recognize some of the content because it used to be TTT Productions, but now it's Boys Who Like Trains. Whether or not we're gonna upload, we're never gonna upload a series. It's basically Busted Buffers, but for us. Yes, and with that, this is how we're going to end the full video. Oh, no. We're going to take a nice picture of Callantale's Thomas. Thank you guys for watching, and I hopefully will see you guys again soon.
Cute.